Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello my online friend. Today I am here with my elaborate topic. My elaborate topic is affixation tree. Here we can see suffix, roots, prefix, suffixation. Suffix is a group of letters that we add after the root word or root of a word. And prefix. Prefix also a group of letters that we add beginning the root word or root of a word. And roots. Roots word in a meaningful word, but root of a word, this is not meaningful word. It having one meaning. Here we can see suffixes above, in, id, able, meant, and, are, as, her, li, less, is, any, nation, and roots. Photo, scape, and etc. And prefixation and pre, etc. And affixation is a common word that we use to make new words. That's all about my information. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.